Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if Instagram not loading your search results in the Instagram app, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you're using mobile data, just turn off and turn on your mobile data. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if it doesn't help you to, just go to the general. It's a general. Just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, just check updates for Instagram. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In the search just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.